So I mentioned in my last little video that I don't really like the angle of this bucket with this tab and this tab here. And I learned this trick a long time ago that if you have your mounting point on one side and then this will be in the collapsed position. So you draw an arc, all right? And then ideally you would continue that until you get to a point where you extend your workpiece like that, and then extend your piston. I've got the hole taped off so it's fighting me, but you would do the same thing and you would strike an arc. And so what I'm getting at here is I have a intersecting point way up here somewhere because these are gradually getting smaller and closer together. So that's definitely not going to work for me here, all right? So what I'm going to end up doing is I made a mark doing the same exact thing on this side, and that's my intersecting point. And I'm going to have to drill holes here and have a new mounting tab. So it's only like 1.5 inches away, but it makes all the difference in the world for a ton of extra articulation. The issue that I have with that is I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting. So this was already assembled, this was fabricated before it came to me, and it's really well done, but who knows what the final plan was as far as tabs or cylinders or whatever. So if I go there, I'm right in the way of that gusset, which tells me I'm going to be right in the way of that gusset. So I'm going to have to be cutting this all out. I'm going to have to smooth that all up so I can drill through here. And I'm going to be free-handing it, but I think I'll be able to get it close. I did just have a thought, however. I think I'm going to try cutting just this weld, or cut that flush. I'll knock that bushing out and then run a Sawzall right down there all the way into that intersection, all right? And then I've got this 18-inch crescent wrench that I found in a field when I was probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 years old. And I will try to bend that so I gusset this way and then just re-weld it. That'll make it clear from that pin, and it'll be a lot less grinding, cutting, welding on this side as well. Well, it doesn't get a whole lot cleaner of a cut than that. Now hopefully I can bend it and re-weld it, but obviously I won't re-weld it until I drill my holes and make sure I have clearance. All right, well, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to bend. Now, basically my intersection of this hole needs to be right in line with where this gusset is and pretty much straight down from that hole. So let's see, can I bend 1/4 inch plate with my crescent wrench? And I'm gonna start up here so I can get as much of this to move as I can. Ugh. It ain't easy, but it moves. Oh, yeah. What do you think about that? Let's see. 9 inches. Yeah. Ugh. I gotta move more. I gotta bend that more. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it. So I went in there and marked where I need my hole to be for my optimum spot. But I'm thinking maybe I'll move it back a little bit. See, this mark here is the arc that I made when the bucket's closed. And if I move the hole this way, maybe another 1/2 inch, and give my self space away from that gusset, all I'm doing is making it so it'll dump a little bit further, and that's okay.